Hello guys, welcome back to Learning While Farming, and today we're here with another video. So today basically what I'm doing, this is a quick video. Harvesting the dry corn now. This is for the chickens, the animals we have at home. Since I harvested most of the green corn, what I will be doing, I'm gonna take it, put it in the sack. Let me show you. Great guys, put it in the sack, and then I'll take it home. I'll take it home and get it ready for, I'll remove the grains manually. Right now, I'll show you guys how I'll do it, and then feed the chickens. It's pretty simple. I mean, if we were in a bigger country or whatsoever, more developed, it will be with machinery. But first, God, in the future, we will obtain machinery. That's what we're expecting. But yeah, it's a simple process, guys. Here you have it, and then just that I hate the fact that it gets kind of hard to remove, to harvest. What I tend to see sometimes from people is the older people, the older generations, they take the tree and they bend it with the corn. I think in order for birds not to interfere with it, like the parrots and so on. But yeah, so it's something like this. Now here you go, you can see it. Little by little you can go removing the grains. Right now I'll show you guys. I'm currently using my phone. I forgot to bring my GoPro, so the video is more handwork. But anyhow, those guys are the problem. They fly around, it's corn time. Many people have planted corn now, so it's time for them to dodge and try to thief some corn or eat. Everybody has to eat, everyone has to eat, even the birds, every animal, even Sasquatch, so on. It goes on and on and on. So yeah, I'm just filling up a little sack for it to be at home, stashed up. But we have a lot. We have a good amount over here. Honestly, I intentionally left these for the chickens, for the animals. I left it for the animals. But yeah, so I'm walking now towards it. Here we have some good size. Look at this fella over here. This is what I hate, guys, when it's hard to pull. I assume it has its technique, right? But I'm not too common with it. It's more like my grandfather or the older people that know how to do it. I'm not used to it, but I will get used to it soon. Here you guys go. This is a good looking guy. So more to the front. So yes, guys, you can see it over here. It's ready. It's dry. Perfect for birds, and and so on. But yeah, well, this was just a short segment, guys, a short video to keep the channel active. This was Learning While Farming. I appreciate the views, the people subscribing. Until next time, guys, take care. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys.